Hi everybody. I'm doing a tutorial today on making different kinds of things with your paper clips. And I was asked to do this video, so here we go. Now, there's lots of different kind of paper clips. There's big fat ones. There's these ones that you can get at the Dollar Tree. And I don't know where I got these from. They're just a little fancy paper clip. Now for me, myself, today, I want to make a big thick one to go in my planner because the other ones keep falling out. So you take your paper clip, am I in focus here? Yeah, okay, there. You take your paper clip and you see how there's the upside and downside of this. This one is pretty even, but I'm going to use this side. So I'm going to spread this a little bit apart so I can get my bead in there. So you put your bead on that thing, your paper clip, and you just slide it around until it gets to the bottom, and that's your charm dangle. Now you can add any kind of dangles to these. I have several different kinds. I got a whole jar full of different. I like these shaker ones, but you can also put on these other ones if they're big enough to go through the paper clip, and they are. Now I'm going to put another one of these on, and you can put as many on as you want, or just have one and not 3 or 4. I'm a bling girl, so yeah, I kind of like, you know, lots of little, whoops. So I'll do that again. You just take your ball, you put it on the hook, and just push it all the way around to the next, you can get it through, to the next bottom. This one's got glue on it. I don't know how it got glue on it, but it did, and it keeps sticking to everything. Okay, so that's your paper clip made, and you've got your little jangles on it. So that's that one. I don't know, got something on my fingers. Now this one here, and none of these ideas, by the way, are mine. I have got them off of YouTube, and I don't know what was on that ball, but I need some of my, anyways. You can take some strips of ribbon. It doesn't make any difference how long they are. Just if you're going to, you know, I like the short ones and the long ones. You can have them all one way by cutting them. The length is really up to you. You have to have, and do I have one here? I thought I did. Yes, I got a gold one. You take your paper clip like this, and again, the two sides are at the bottom. And you're going to put this ribbon, and I can't do this twice, girls, because I can't find all my big clothespins. And keep your finger in the middle. See, I got my thumb in there. And you're going to pull all this through that hole. Now once you get that done, you're going to pull as hard as you can. And you have like a surface like that, and then you can pull these to keep them all in there. You'll see it has a back like that, but these are pretty thick. So as you pull them, it tightens them with the other ribbons. Now, I don't have my glue gun on, but this one turned out good. Now there's a lot of blue ones in there, and there's shorter ones and longer ones here. So I don't really want this long. So I'm just going to cut this off. And this is April 1st. It's a Monday night. And I wanted to remind everybody that tomorrow is Autism Day. And most of us know Tina Epp, but if you could send her some love, that would be great. Her son has autism, and I know it's a lot of work for her. So, and you're supposed to wear blue tomorrow, so make sure you wear something blue. Okay, so that's the next paper clip. It's a little bigger, but I'll show you in my next video what to do with these, because I did put them on my album, which I'll be showing you. But I don't know, there's something about these, like the girl who was doing it. It's just kind of neat to keep rubbing your hands through them, and I have no idea why, but it just is. Okay, so that's the second paper clip. So we got that one, and we got one with the beads on it, which I don't know what I did with it. Anyways, we'll move on. Now the next one, I had these for a long time, but you can use anything. You put your, your longest side on the outside of this. And I think I got that the wrong way around. So, and you're going to push this down as far as you can on the paper. And I don't like to leave mine showing the paper clip. So this little tag that I have, oops, doesn't show that. Now I'm going to have to plug my hot glue gun, but it won't take very long to heat up. Where'd my plug go? Oh, lost my plug. There we go. My desk is full of stuff right now. I'll let that heat up for just a minute, and maybe we'll do the other one and I'll come back to that. So again, we've got this one with the things, we've got this one with the little beads and charms on it, and you can use anything. I particularly like these little beads. This one I have to watch, it's all sticky, and you know, like I said, you can put anything on those. I like the bigger paper clips for them because they do have to stay on. Now, if you take a paper clip, I use this one, and I got some washi tape. Now this is gold washi tape, and what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put this, well, kind of in the middle, if I can get it to go in the middle. Oop. So you put this through the middle of your paper clip, and you kind of, well, my fingers never work, so unfortunately, and fold, it's not sticking, that's why. Fold that onto itself, and then we're going to take this and we're going to just wrap it around this paper clip. And I don't want too big of a gap between any of them. I probably should have used bigger paper, but this will do. Now this depends on the paper you're using, but you want to cover up that inside part of the paper clip. And I'm going to quit there and cut this. And I might put some hot glue on there to make sure that that stays, but for now it should be good. And you see how prepared I am for this? Not. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put some hot glue on that because it's not gonna stay. I am looking for a little split ring, and here I got a couple. These unfortunately aren't gold, but they'll do. So what you're going to do, just hold on a second here. Oh, my floor is a mess. I'm just getting some tools out, and I'll be right with you. Okay. So after I kind of glue this down, because it's not going to stay, we're going to put charms on the bottom of this, which would be quite neat. Well, it's not really hot yet. No, it's not hot yet, but we'll keep going. And we'll put the little charms on it. Now, yeah, see, you keep doing that. It's like obsession after a while. So we're going to take one of these little split rings here. And again, you can put on as many as you want or not. And I'm going to take one end of this. Now, you guys know I'm obsessed with unicorns, so of course I have to put a unicorn on the bottom of this one, or it wouldn't be me. I hope I'm staying in frame here. Okay, so we have your little charm on the end, and on the other end, I hope I don't go over my minutes. I hate going over my minutes. Oh, we're going to put one of these little rings. I haven't opened this up yet. Scissors. And I guess it doesn't matter what color. Whatever one I pull out. No. I want to... Take one of these clips. It doesn't matter what kind of clip. I just happen to have these, and so that's what I'm using. And it's like a pin, which you could use a pin. And I'm going to put this on the other end, and then you can clip this to whatever you want. So I just got to figure out what end here is. Like I said, my hands aren't very good, so I have to do a few tries at this. Nope, not that end. So oh, well, maybe I should just try to, let's see which end gives in. And it's this one. Sorry about this. There's the pin. And you're going to pin that there. Then if you're really lucky, you'll get this pin back in here. Now, like I said, this could be a safety pin. It could be a Tim Holtz pin. There's lots of different pins out there. And I'm going to glue this because it's not hanging out. But you would hang this on, you know, maybe a pocket letter or whatever you want. If you're doing a project, you can hang them on projects. Tags, because it gives you a little bit of, ouch. My glue is working. Ow, 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 ow. Ouch. That one hurt. Okay. Try not to burn your fingers doing this. Okay. Now I got glue all over my fingers and I burnt them. That's all right. So there's your little paper clip with your pin on top, and it's a little dangle because you got a little charm here, and you have your washi tape there. Now you can use paper. I've seen people use paper, all kinds of things. I just thought I had this